Good morning, students. I am Ravindranath, Department of Mathematics. This is the third video of the chapter interpolation for the students of second semester BCA, Bangalore Central University, Karnataka. See, in this video, I will do problem number 1. In that, question A, question B, question C, question D, question E, question F are there. So in this video, I will cover only question A and question B. In the coming videos, I will cover the remaining questions. Okay. Now, observe the movement of the cursor and listen carefully. See, whatever the problem I have taken here, no, the same problem I consider it as an example in the previous videos. Let me to read the problem. The population of a particular city is as follows. In 1921, the population is 20 lakhs. 1931, it is 24 lakhs. Like that, in 1971, the population is 44 lakhs. Now, in this problem, I have to work out, I will work out two questions. Construct the difference table for the above data. We wanted to construct the difference table for the given data. The second question is estimate the population in the year 1938. That is, in the year 1938, what is the population? Okay. See, now let us see in the next slide. Let us see how to construct the difference table. See, the difference table means, now observe the cursor. Difference table, there are two types of difference table: forward difference table, and backward difference table. See, forward difference table, forward difference. See, we know differentiation, we know no, differentiation. In case of differentiation, the differential operator is d by dx. We know Laplace transform. In case of Laplace transform, the operator is capital L. In case of inverse Laplace transform, the operator is L inverse. In the same manner, say observe the cursor. Forward difference, this delta is there, no, the symbol delta. This is said to be forward difference operator. This is delta to the power of 1. First order forward difference. Here, observe the cursor. Delta square. Second order forward difference. Delta cube. Third order forward difference. Delta to the power of 4. Observe the cursor. Fourth order forward difference. Delta to the power of 5. Fifth order forward difference. In the same manner, backward difference. See this. Observe the cursor. Inverted delta. Is there no inverted delta? This is said to be backward difference operator. Inverted delta. See the cursor. This is said to be inverted delta, backward difference operator. We must read it as del R nebula. Del R nebula. This is del square. I will read it as del. Del square, that is second order backward difference operator. Del cube, observe the cursor. Del to the power of 4. Del to the power of 5. Fifth order backward difference. Now let us see how to construct this table. See, in the data, year is given 1921, 1931, 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971. So we know in theoretical part I explained, we are calling it as an argument. In general, it is denoted by x, in particular x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. See the cursor? In general, it is xn. Now, respective population, this is called as entry. In general, it is denoted by f of x. The population, respective population is entry, f of x. In particular, when x is equal to x0, f of x naught 20 lakhs, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, f of x4. This is f of x5, in general f of xn. See, this is the given data. Using this data, we have to construct the table. See, to construct the table, we have to take the consecutive difference of entries. Observe that green arrow mark. See, observe green arrow mark carefully. See, that is 24 minus 20. 24 minus 20, that is 4. 19 minus 24, observe the cursor. 19 minus 24 is minus 5. 28 minus 19, 9. 35 minus 28, 8. 44 minus 35, that is 9. So this column, what we constructed, no? This column is said to be either first order forward difference or first order backward difference. See the cursor. Similarly, in the next column, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Observe that purple arrow mark. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. 9 minus half minus plus 14. 8 minus 9 minus 1. 9 minus 8 1. Similarly, 14 minus 9 23. Minus 1 minus 14 minus 15. 1 minus half minus plus 2. Again, minus 15 minus 23 minus 38. 2 minus half minus plus 17. Again, 17 minus half minus 38, that is plus 55. I have done manual mistake. Again, I edited. It is 55. Okay. So this table is said to be difference table. This table is called as difference table. In this difference table, if we mark only delta notations, that is said to be forward difference table. If we mark del notations, inverted delta, del square, del cube, del to the power of 4, del to the power of 5, this is said to be backward difference table. Okay. Now, see, observe that cursor, movement of cursor. These are the top values. So top values are 1921, 24, minus 9, 23, minus 38, 55. These are the top values. These are the values used to values we are using it in case of forward difference. See, this is the term x naught. Observe carefully, cursor. F of x naught. This is delta f of x naught. This is delta square f of x naught. This is delta to the power of 3 f of x naught. This is delta to the power of 4 f of x naught. This is delta to the power of 5 f of x naught. In case of forward difference, we are using these values only, not the remaining values. In case of backward, observe the cursor. 1971, that is xn. In general, it is xn. This is f of xn. This is del f of xn. This value 1 is del square f of x naught, sorry, xn. 2 is del cube f of xn. 17 del to the power of 4 f of xn. 55 del to the power of 5 f of xn. So this is the way of constructing the difference table. They may ask it for 2 marks in the final examination. Construct the difference table for the given data. If it is the only question, it will carry 2 marks. For 2 marks, they will ask the question. For 5 marks, question A, question B. Question A answer is step 1. Question B answer, this question B answer is step 2. For 5 marks, they will ask this question B. For 5 marks, they will ask question B, that is, estimate the population in the year 1938. Estimate the population in the year 1938 for the given data. For this question, first we have to construct the difference table. First we have to construct the difference table. After constructing the difference table, let us see how to answer to this. To estimate the, see the cursor, to estimate the population in the year 1938, that is, in 1921 we know it is 20 lakhs. In 1931 we know it is 24 lakhs. In 1941 it is 19 lakhs. See, 1931 24, 1941 19 lakhs, but we need the population in 1938. So when x is equal to, if x is equal to 1938, we wanted to find the value of f of x. That is, entry is given. We wanted to, sorry, argument is given. We wanted to find respective entry. This is said to be interpolation. In theory part, I explained it clearly. Further, x value 1938, see the first column. 1938 is nearer to x naught. It is not nearer to xn. So we have to use Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. Once again, make it clear. X value 1938 is nearer to x naught. We must use Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. Suppose if it is nearer to xn, at that time we have to use Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. Here, see the cursor. Here I have given the formula. This is the formula. This formula is called as Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. Once I will read this formula, f of x equals f of x naught plus p by factorial 1. This is factorial 1 delta f of x naught. It is a manual mistake. See, manuscript mistake. See, observe. It is del. Here it is del, but it must be delta. In case of forward, only forward difference operators will come. Please correct it. See, once again, make it correct. Make it clear. It is del f of x naught plus p of p minus 1 by factorial 2 del square f of x naught. Sorry, delta square f of x naught plus p of p minus 1, p minus 2 divided by factorial 3 into delta cube f of x naught plus p of p minus 1, p minus 2, p minus 3 whole divided by factorial 4 into delta to the power of 4 f of x naught plus this is the last term. Like this it will continue, but in your table, yes, in our table, it is up to delta to the power of 5. So I considered the terms up to delta to the power of 5 plus so on. If delta to the power of 6 is there, we have to include that term also. Now, from the table, we know the value of f of x naught. Already I have explained f of x naught, delta f of x naught, delta square f of x naught, and so on. So only the unknown term in this formula is p. Now let us see. See the difference table. I listed all the values. It is not compulsory. For your reference only I listed. Without writing this step, straight away we can substitute the values. See here, delta to the power of 5 f of x naught, delta to the power of 5 f of x naught. Here I made mistake 21, manual mistake, but actually it is, I corrected, I edited. See, clearly you can observe it, 55. It must be 55. So in place of 21, replace it by 55. And P, let us see how to find the value of P involved in this formula. To find the value of P, the formula is x is equal to x naught plus ph. So x value P, to find the value of P, the formula is x is equal to x naught plus ph. So in case of, listen carefully, forward difference formula, Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. If it is Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula, once again, listen, if it is Newton-Grigori backward interpolation formula. Then to find the value of P, formula is x is equal to x naught minus pH. For backward difference, x naught minus pH. For forward, x is equal to x naught plus pH. Therefore, from this P equals x minus x naught by h, where h is equal to x1 minus x naught. X1 minus x naught from the table. X1 is 1931, x naught is 1921. So that is 10. H value is 10. Substitute the values. X is equal to 1938 minus 1921 divided by 10. P is equal to 1.7. Now substitute all the values. The value of P is known now. And the remaining all the values we can list out from the table. Substitute all the values and simplify. That will give the value of f of x when x is equal to 1938. So the value of f of x is nothing but the population in the year 1938. So this is the way of estimating the approximate value. It is not exact. Estimation, that means approximate value. So this completes this video. So in this video, in problem number 1, we covered the answer for question A, question B. The further videos, I will answer to the remaining questions. Okay. So once again, in this, to answer to the question estimate population in the year 1938, we have to construct the difference table first and then the second step. Thank you. Thank you very much.